Hey everybody, it's Amber from Micro Artistry. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Tina Davies PermaBlend Pigments that just came out and they're just released. So Tina Davies is, of course, a legend in the microblading field. She has her own microblades and aftercare and pigments now, and she is such a sweetheart, and she is always there to help artists. So I got my pigments from www.cosmetictattoosupply.com, which is Terry Lively's site. The pigments are about $150, $160, and it comes with 7 pigments that are basically going to cover every single skin type that you would need to do microblading on or regular machine shading. So this comes with an aftercare sample. That's a Tina Davies aftercare. It comes with the instruction sheet for aftercare. And of course, as Cosmetic Tattoo Supply always does, they send you candy, which is super fun. So this is like the real skin that I have there and the candy and all that. That's just because Cosmetic Tattoo Supply sends that for fun. Like, they're really sweet. So the Cosmetic Tattoo Supply is where I order all of my pigments, and I order my needles and everything like that. So this is the unboxing of the actual pigments themselves. And as you can see, it's packaged beautifully. And so kind of modern, you know. A lot of permanent makeup pigments are just so old school. You know, nothing is really as modern or like beautiful as this pigment line. And PermaBlend in general is doing so much to kind of like change the way that we tattoo, or that we do permanent makeup nowadays. So this is cool. This is a little cell phone stand that comes with your pigment line, and that's going to be your instruction sheet, and here are all the colors. So we have ash brown, gray, and blonde, medium brown, dark brown, bold brown, ebony, and a shading solution, which is going to be added to your pigments to thin them out if you want to do shading. So Tina Davies sells these really nice disposable shaders. So if you're only a microblading artist and you're interested in getting into shading, but you don't have a machine or you don't know what to do, Tina Davies has videos on her page that show you how to use her shader and how to do some, add some depth to your brows without using a machine. So this is our instruction sheet. It's basically foolproof. She's got all the different colors, what they're used for, what skin tones that you can use them on, and if someone has previous permanent makeup, what colors will cover up that old permanent makeup. So I think that it's so beautifully done. I cannot wait to get into this line and start using it on my clients. I've been using PermaBlend for over a year now, and I've been seeing the best results ever with this line. And trust me, I've used a lot of lines. Anytime I see something, I buy it because I want to see what it does, like how it works on my client's skin. So I'm super excited about this new PermaBlend line. I love PermaBlend in general. So again, this is what you get for $154, $160-ish dollars. 7 half-ounce pigments. You get the Real Skin, Aftercare, Smarties, and everything is ordered here from cosmetictattoosupply.com. Hope you guys enjoy this. I think that you should definitely try it out. I'm going to be doing some reviews and some stuff on my Instagram page at Micro Artistry. Thanks so much. Bye.